Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be decluttering my son's clothes. We're officially in autumn and I'm just going to get rid of all the summer stuff and get out all the autumn, winter stuff, and also he's going to be one. So wow, it's time for me to take some stuff out. I start by taking everything out, then I will organize it by size, so age group, because again, he's going to be one, so everything that's now small, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to give it to charity. Can you guys believe we are officially in October? This year has gone by so quickly, and autumn is my absolute favorite season. So the first thing I began to do was to do the boys' clothes first. Get rid of all the summer stuff and get putting all the warm winter clothes. And I start with my youngest son first, who is going to be one. Honestly, I have kept him alive for a whole year. It's amazing. Honestly, he brings me so much joy and he brings so much joy to our family. So, as I'm putting away his clothes and decluttering them, honestly, I feel sad and happy at the same time. I know it's crazy, but the feeling of joy is obviously watching him wear all these clothes and see how big he's got, and looking at the other little clothes that he used to fit a few months ago when he was just a little baby. So this has been a great journey so far with him. If you are not new to the channel, you know I do not like doing laundry, folding it. It's literally one of my least favorite tasks to do. But I recently read somewhere that if you change your mindset on how you look at a certain task that you dislike to do, and look at it in a different perspective. So I decided to look at, for example, looking at my son's clothes, the happiness I feel because he's going to be wearing these, or the sadness that I feel looking at it in his perspective of, he's growing up and he'll never be this stage again. And I read somewhere where it says the days are long, but the years are short. And just looking at these clothes, I absolutely agree. It has been a very fast year, but the days were very long at times. Dealing with the newborn and him being one now, and so much has changed. But yeah, I genuinely look at this task now in a different perspective. So I hope this can give you guys motivation as well to declutter your clothes and look at it in a different perspective. Have you guys started decluttering and bringing out your winter clothes yet? Have you put away your summer clothes? Let me know in the comment section below when you officially began doing that. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know how often you guys declutter your clothes. Do you do it seasonally when you are changing clothes, obviously from summer to winter and winter to spring type of thing? Let me know. And if you've got any tips on how you store your clothes as well, during the periods of different seasons, where you store them, I would definitely like to know. And this is a sharing community and we all share so we can learn and do better. So I'm looking forward to hearing your tips. And yes, I am back to posting on Instagram as well. So if you guys prefer short form content of these videos, you can always find them on my Instagram account, which is the same name. I will link it down below if you guys are more interested in the short form content. So on jumpers and stuff. So that is all his clothes organized and laid out. I enjoy doing this task with this new mind frame. Will it work every single time? I'm not sure, but it did kind of make me feel happy and sad just looking at his clothes. So now on to my toddler's clothes. So, well, my toddler is at that age where he loves exploring and being outdoors. And I thought of this whilst I was putting his clothes away. I think of the adventures that we're going to be going on, from splashing in puddles and picking up different coloured leaves and stuff. These clothes are going to be keeping him warm, so that just thinking about it in that perspective helped this process go by a lot faster. And I'm also going to be organizing his nursery clothes, and I also think about it in a perspective. Whilst he's wearing these clothes, he's going to be going on his own adventures with his new friends, learning and playing. And honestly, I enjoyed doing this with just looking at it in this different perspective. Like I mentioned, I'm not sure if it's going to work all the time because there's going to be days where I'm just like going to just quickly want to put everything away. But it did give me an opportunity to put away all his summer stuff and put some stuff to go to charity. And honestly, I feel like I am truly blessed if I look at it in this perspective that I do get to have laundry because my clothes, these clothes are being worn by my children, and dare I say it's going to be enjoyable trying to put these away. But I am blessed because they have these clothes. I am blessed that they get to go on different adventures and do so many things whilst feeling warm. And yeah, that's a different way to look at it. So I hope that makes sense. If it does make sense, please let me know in the comment section below. So this is all the clothes that have been officially organized and put away. Clothes for both boys. So like this is summer stuff, and then stuff that we're going to be giving away. And yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found this video to be helpful, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you guys on the next video. You have a lovely day. Bye.